Well, luckily, since we've been using an emulator all along, we can actually fake anything. Because if you think about it, this entire device is all fake to start with. Now if you open up the extra settings window, you'll find an option for location where you can set the device's coordinates and even its altitude. Here I've inputted the coordinates for Sydney and hopped over to it in Google Maps. Additionally, you can set up a file of either GPX or KML format and launch it to simulate a path of coordinates with custom speeds. Here's an example of a KML file format. I've loaded that file into this playback here, and let's watch it go. Pretty cool, huh? Now, however, testing geofences is tricky. Remember that geofences rely on network, Wi-Fi data, and the last known GPS. And using this data, it only refreshes the last known GPS when it needs to, because remember, refreshing the last known GPS is a very battery-heavy operation. Now, unfortunately, when we do spoof GPS on an emulator, it doesn't automatically update the last known GPS. However, there is a trick we can use to be able to trigger a geofence from an emulator. Now, while our app doesn't automatically get the latest GPS location, other apps on the phone, such as Google Maps, can help us acquire the GPS location. If I simply open up Google Maps, it will force a new GPS update and will hence refresh the latest GPS location. This will most likely trigger a geofence transition immediately if the device was inside such geofence.